Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check for updates on your Chrome OS Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu or the launcher and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. And then on the left side, go all the way to the bottom where it says About Chrome OS. And on the right, there should be something that says Check for Updates. Go ahead and select that and give that a moment to check for any updates on your machine. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.